Hello students, welcome to Isha Tech Foundation. Myself Isha Mahajan, your teacher and trainer. So in the last video we have learned that how we can format a document, how we can change the font style, font type, how we can change the text case. Okay, so in this video we will learn that how we can style the paragraph, how we can format a paragraph in the document. So firstly you can see the document. Okay, so in that document there is a word align left, align right, align center, and I want to align left in left side, align right in right side, and align center in the center. So firstly I'll select the text. Okay, align left. So in the toolbar you can see there is an option of paragraph. Okay, and from this option you can see here is an option align left. So when I'll click here align left, so you can see the text is aligned in left side. Okay, again I'll select the text align right. Again I'll go to the paragraph and I'll click align left, and when I'll click align left with the mouse it will go into the right side. And align center, firstly select the text, again go into the paragraph and align center, so it aligns in the center. So this is the way that how we can align the text into left, right and left, right and center. So there is a shortcut for left align, that is Control plus L. For left right align there is a shortcut Control plus R, and for center there is a shortcut Control plus E. Okay, and you can see the next, here is a paragraph. Okay, and I want to align this paragraph also. So firstly we will select the this paragraph, whole paragraph. Okay, and again we will go to the paragraph option and we will select the align left, and you can see now the paragraph is aligned in the left side. Okay, and if we want to align the paragraph in the right side, then we will select the text and we will again go into the paragraph and we'll click here align right, and now you can see our paragraph is aligned in the right side of the page. Okay, and if we want our paragraph in the center, and again we will select the whole paragraph and again we will go into the toolbar. There is an option paragraph and align center. You can see now the paragraph is aligned in the center. Okay, now again I change into left, align left. Now the paragraph is aligned left. So you can also change the second way is to change. You can select the paragraph, right click with the mouse. Here is the option paragraph. Click here. You can see there is an option alignment. Now you can see here is a left. So here is the option center, right and justified. Okay, so these are the alignment options you can use according to your requirement. Okay, here is next option is indentation, and you can change the indentation of the paragraph in the document from the left and from the right. You can change indentation. Okay, next is the spacing. We can change the spacing also. Okay, line spacing, we can change the line spacing. So let's take an example, double. We can change it. I'll change into the double. You can see now the line spacing is double because I have changed the line spacing. So there is an option we can change the line spacing between the paragraph. So I have changed this into double. Now we can see there is a more space between the lines. So these are the options. So in this way, by using these options we can format our paragraph in the document. Okay, So I hope you have learned from this video. Keep watching, keep learning. Jai Shri Krishna.